I believe Teladoc keeps growing like crazy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The market is up a lot today. Oh, wow. All right, guys, Teladoc has hit a 52-week low. Now, the market is up a lot today, so it might be different, but it did recently hit a 52-week low. So let's pull it up in our software and see where it stands. Oh, that pulled up real nice. Oh, wow. All-time high, February 16th, 2021 for Teladoc. $3.08 a share. $3.08. 52-week low, 21 bucks. That is a 90-some% drop, guys. Guys, you have to remember this. I believe Teladoc, if I'm not mistaken, let me look up Teladoc. Let me look up ARK Investments. I think Teladoc is a big investment in ARK Holdings. TDOC. Yep, there it is. It's 4.43% of their holdings. And this is exactly why ARK Innovation is at $33 a share, when right at this time, February of 2021, they were at $160. ARK Investment is garbage. She has no idea how to invest. So, wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that absolute parabolic rise and just collapse. All right. So it's currently at 23.86, a little bit off the 52-week low. Let's see the 8 pillars for this company. Listen, guys, you don't just buy. Listen, I bought companies that were even 8Xs on the 8 pillars because it all depends on so many factors. But this is a company. I mean, look at this dilution right here. Shares outstanding is up 134%. That means you're being diluted as an owner. So even if the company fundamentals got better by 137%, you saw no benefit because now you have 137% more partners with you. That's how terrible this is. You're being diluted. The revenue is up $2 billion. Cash flow is only up $87 million. Net income is down $9.7 billion. They probably have some write-offs in there. Oh boy. Income statement. I mean, massive revenue growth. Look at that. 30 million in 2014, keeps growing like crazy, and so do their losses. They've never made money in a single, well, let's look at the full annual. Let's look at the annual. Yeah, they've never made money. By the way, that's okay. They can be a company that's just growing and growing and growing. Let's look at some of their metrics. All right, I will say this. This price to sales ratio for a company with this kind of gross margin, that's pretty low. So I'm not going to lie about that one. The hard part is I don't see free cash flow. I don't see profit. So how do I value this business? Well, one way is to look at price to sales. And when you have software businesses, that's a very low price to sales ratio. For example, let's pull up Microsoft. They're at 8.47 price to sales ratio. Let's look at Oracle. And their profit margin, by the way, is the same as Teladoc. Their gross margin, 5 on Oracle, and their gross margin's higher. All right, guys. So I'm not saying that Teladoc is a deal, but I like the fact that it's, I mean, if they can let's say, for example, today, this very second, they were a profitable business and they were able to have 20% profit margin down here. What would you pay for it? I mean, this is a very reasonable price, it seems, based on that. Because they'd be generating 20% of 2.3 is 460 million on a market cap of 3.86. Okay. But here's the hard part, guys. I don't know what Teladoc is worth. Why? Because I don't know when they're going to get out of cash flow, whether they become cash flow positive. They're diluting owners like crazy. As they lose more and more money, they're going to issue more and more shares. It's going to dilute you as an owner. So for me, this is the too hard pile. I have no idea what this company, how to value this company. There's 3 piles. Yes, no, too hard. This is too hard for me. Too hard are automatic no's. Why? Because I have no idea how it's going to get to profitability. Like, look at a company like Palantir. I criticized that moron on YouTube who loved Palantir at $40 to $45 a share. And now I'm getting interested because it's around 6 or 7 and I want to buy it at lower prices. The difference is they've had 8 quarters in a row of positive free cash flow. They've stopped for the time being issuing a ton of shares. There's the light at the end of the tunnel. They have $2.3 billion in cash and no debt. This company has debt. So when I look at this saying, too hard pile, I'm out. Short video, but I want you to see how quickly I go, I'm out. There's 10,000 stocks out there. Let me find the right one. Go to everythingmoney.com if you like the software. It allows you to learn this, join the community for chat. We have a money back guarantee. If you sign up today, you can use it for 30 days. If you don't like it, email us before the 30 days is up. Money back guarantee. Thank you very much for your time.